that time again to start talking about and getting excited about the Make a Meetup. It's going to be our 4th year, and the Make a Meetup has just gone from strength to strength every year. I still have very fond memories of that first year. It was during COVID and we weren't allowed in, and I was waiting months and months to get down to Victoria. And then Dan the man finally let me in. I went straight to the top and I asked the question, so can I come down now?
I want tourists back here as quickly as we can.
Well, I don't know about being called a tourist, but okay. And Shane and I both travelled down to Victoria. We met up with the guys and we had the best night. And after that, the annual Make a Meetup was born. And what makes the Make a Meetup great is just the people that are there, the people who travel to be there. We've had guys come up from Victoria to the Sydney Make a Meetup a couple of years ago, and we travelled down to Victoria last year. And it was a fantastic night. And what about the Queenslanders? Well, going by that, looks like we're going to get smashed again. What? No, not the footy. The Queensland woodworkers and makers. You know they've never attended a single Make a Meetup? What's with that? Hey, he's right. What is with that, you guys? The Make a Meetup has always been an open invitation to all woodworkers and makers. And hey, let's get real. Regardless of where it's held, somebody's going to have to travel. So don't use that as an excuse. I've already had confirmation from a couple of the usual suspects in Melbourne that their trip to Sydney's already planned. The Make a Meetup is a great night out, and like I said, it's the people who attend that make it great. So this year's meetup will be on the 9th of November in Sydney at the Eastern Creek Tavern, and to sweeten the deal, we've even arranged a special Make a Meetup exclusive accommodation package. If you want to take advantage of that, make sure you reach out to Ainslee at Small Fry Creations and she'll sort you out. So come on everybody, let's all get organised. We've got plenty of notice. Put your plans in place, and I would love to see all of you in Sydney on the 9th of November.